Now we're going to explore some fundamental concepts in research. Testing significant relationship between groups. So, firstly, the research is the idea of testing relationships between groups, and it establishes whether the relationship allows us to draw meaningful conclusions and make informed decisions based on empirical data. So, when writing a research paper or even a thesis, developing a clear hypothesis is crucial because this hypothesis posits a potential relationship like between two teaching methods and student performance. So to evaluate this hypothesis, you can use statistical tests such as t-test, ANOVA, and regression analysis. So these tools will help you determine whether observed differences are statistically significant. So we need to remember that the validity of the result depends on proper sample size and selection, and an adequately representative samples ensures that the findings generalize to the larger population. Also, many tests assume data normality and equal variances. Violating these assumptions can lead to incorrect conclusions, and understanding these prerequisites helps helps us to design sound studies. So next, once the data is collected, the next step is analysis. This involves applying the appropriate statistical procedures to the data to uncover or to learn meaningful patterns or differences. Example, if you're testing whether a new teaching method improves test scores, you might compare scores from students taught with the new method versus traditional methods using the t-test. So after the analysis, interpretation is also important. Example, or a p-value less than 0.5 typically indicates a statistically significant difference, while the confidence intervals provide a range within which the true effect size likely falls. So, beyond significance, consider the effect size, a measure of how large or meaningful the difference is in real-world terms. Sometimes a statistically significant result might have a small effect, meaning it has a limited practical impact. Next is engaging critically with these results also enhances the research quality. It's not just about numbers, it's about understanding what they imply for your study and the field. So next we have the ethical considerations in statistical research. Ethical considerations is important because while conducting research responsibly involves respecting participants, ensuring informed consents, and maintaining confidentiality. So, when reporting results, be honest and transparent. We need to avoid overstating findings or overgeneralizing beyond what the data supports, because misinterpretation can lead to or can mislead audiences and harm communities involved. So we need to remember that Research has a power to impact society positively or negatively. So, as researchers, we carry the responsibility to ensure our work contributes ethically and constructively, fostering trust and integrity. So, to sum it all up, we need to understand that relationship through hypothesis testing is fundamental in research, and proper data analysis and interpretation ensure that the findings are valid and meaningful. And finally, that we also need to put in mind that ethical conduct safeguards the integrity of our research and its contribution to the society. Thank you. That's all po.